You go to Springstead High School in Spring Hill, Florida?
Hell no. I go to Nate's Stokes.
Damn, bro. What's wrong with Springstead?
The football team ass.
Chat, I'm tripping.
There's no way this is a high schooler.
No. I think he meant he teaches there.
We beat Springstead 28-14.
I have a strong feeling you weren't a part of that, pal.
Damn, bro, that's crazy. How'd you hear about me?
On TikTok.
What are we doing today?
I think you already know what we're doing today.
Transformation!
My shit get caught, I'm whooping ass.
Oh my god!
They got caught, didn't